sloppy crew is headed northbound up here in Maine to get a freshie, and wait until you see what it is. About this crap, absolute dog crap weather. We chose the perfect day. We will be back.
All right, boys, here we are, North Penobscot, Maine.
About 75 degree sunshine in the brand new 2024 Sierra 110. We gotta get it back home, and Too Sloppy's gonna break her in the sloppiest way.
Cutter, what's up, man?
We're gonna get sloppy on the new pitter machine. Yep. There's the Too Sloppy machine home show, dude. What are you doing, Bob?
I ain't dealing with a hoe, got no butt. Gotta do more than just show up. Just out my mind, stay dealing with some girls who be out all the time. And the higher that I get on this mountain, I climb to the clouds. On my rise of a balcony shouting, tonight it'll be great.
The hill climb my right off. Losing my balance. You got a little hill, kind of grooving like that Tyler Berryman, Axel Hodges shit, where they just go out there, boot the hill.
Chase dreams, ain't worry about money. I'ma get it then spend it the way it's gonna be. And you ain't on me if you ain't part of the team. If you ain't part of the team.
Oh.
Cutter, what's up, man?
Today, we're gonna get after it with the pitters. But we're gonna do a quick little road trip.
All right, so we got the pitters out to the farm today. Brought the 140 over for the pasture jump. Usually a 450 jump. As you can see, it's not very well constructed. It's actually just a huge rock.
You see right here, you go right up there, you get a little lip there, but you rock.
Show me.
Gonna attempt the boater. Greased it. We fucking greased it, dude. That's mint. Yeah. It's a cluster right now, boys. We got the brand new 110 is obviously doing mint. Follow is John. Had to change the wheel because critter over here exploded our hub. The pitter that I just went and got to use for a couple days needs some TLC, but we're gonna get onto that and then we're gonna get sloppy. Stay tuned. Fucking battery died.
God damn it.
Yeah.
Got a makeshift booter over here. It's a pretty good hill, but check it out. This is what we're working with for a lip. Not really ideal for the dip right before it. It's like, bop, bop. Peppered the freshy. Alright, so Tayvens racing a XR 650 swapped 300EX on a KX 140L.
It's cold. You see I got a face mask on. It's probably 15 degrees. Feels about like 5. The dirt's froze. A little muddy in some spots where it softs up. It's kind of how the Maine weather is. But we're out here today. We're filming some Too Sloppy clips. So stay tuned because we're going to get after it.